Hi, my lovely viewers. Welcome to Daily Job Updates channel. If you're a first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and encourage me to do the more videos daily. Today in this video, I'm going to show about AWS, Azure, SRE, DevOps, fresher job openings for you guys. If you're a fresher having complete 0 years of experience, or if you don't have any experience on these positions, not a problem. We can easily apply to the job openings which I'm going to show you now. Moreover, you may be from the any batches. You may be from the batches like 2024, 23, 22, or maybe from the 2021, 2020, 19, not a problem, you can apply. And you may be from the any degree, guys. You may be from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, or you may be from the BCom, MCom, BCA, MCA, or you may be from the diploma candidates can also apply. So, requesting everyone, please watch this video completely till the end. Moreover, and this is a part 2 of this video. Okay, guys, if you haven't watched the part 1 of the video, please go and check my previous video in my channel, because I have uploaded the part 1 video of the series where I have shown 5 videos, 5 job openings for you guys. Okay, so please utilize those 5 as well as these 5. There are total 10 job vacancies for you guys. Telling you everyone, please utilize all this. And one more thing is, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Look at this. Approximately there are 68% of the candidates or the students who haven't, or the persons who are watching my videos, they aren't subscribing. Requesting everyone, please subscribe and watch this video. Only 32% of the people have subscribed to my channel. Requesting everyone to please subscribe and watch this video. Okay. Now I will directly get to the first job opening. Here the first job opening is from the company called GERP. The company name itself is a GERP. Okay, they are mainly hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Look at this. Well versed with the skills web application deployment. Here you should be knowing how to deploy the web applications. Okay. So, and experience in working on Linux and Jenkins pipelines. Here you should have hands-on experience. Okay. If you're having at least hands-on experience in Linux and Jenkins pipelines, that is good. Strong knowledge on Docker containers. You should know about the Docker. And added advantage, if you know AWS cloud, or if you know just a Azure cloud, not a problem, you can apply. So I'm telling every AWS as well as an Azure fresher or a DevOps engineer, please apply to the job openings. You may be having 0 years of experience, 2 years of experience, not a problem, you can apply. Here they have given the job location is at Chennai. Okay, and candidates from Tamil Nadu are highly preferred, and fresh graduates with considerable learning experience can be applied. Here they have clearly mentioned, if you are a fresher and you want to learn, if you want to build your career in this IT domain, you can apply. So how you need to apply for is hr@gevit.com. This is their email ID. You need to send your resume to this. Otherwise, you directly go to this website www.gevit.com careers. If you go to this, you can apply to the job openings. Okay. So this was the first job opportunity for you guys. Now the second one comes from here, the LinkedIn. In the LinkedIn, okay, there is a one company called Travel Operations. Okay, this is mainly based on the Hyderabad location. Okay, if you are a person who is mainly looking for a job opportunity from the Hyderabad, we can apply. Here, the position they are hiring for is Associate DevOps Consultant. The position name is Associate DevOps Consultant. As you can see, this they have posted up before 2 weeks, and moreover, this is an on-site job and it is a full-time job opportunity. Telling you everyone. Look at this skills and sections they have mail hiring. Position is Associate DevOps Consultant. Eligibility is BE, BTech, ME, MTech, BCA, MSc, ECIT. From you may be from the 2023 or you may be from the 2024 year of passed out, can easily apply. Okay, so freshers, I'm requesting everyone, please utilize this opportunity. Here they have mentioned about the roles and responsibility. Different profiles can be relevant, but the ideal candidate has the following competencies. Here you may be from any background, guys. You may be having different skills, but if you're having here the skills which they have mentioned, they are highly preferred: proactive, detail oriented, independent, ambitious. Okay, and well developed consulting and communication skills. Here if you just know communication skills, you can apply. And enjoy making a difference for customers and their business. So you should be having the knowledge about their business. You should be having here they haven't mentioned anything more about the skills. Your workplace will be at our office in Hyderabad alongside our highly skilled DevOps consultant. Look at this. Here there will be so many DevOps consultant are there. You'll be working at their office in Hyderabad location. So requesting every fresher, please utilize this. Okay, just apply. Go to this easy apply section and apply to this job opening. Okay. So this was the second job opportunity for you guys. Now the third one. Here the third one is from the company called Semtech. The company name itself is a Semtech. As you can see, they have mail hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. and the location is Pune. Many of the members were messaged me from the bring the job updates from the Pune. This is a golden opportunity. Look at this. This is a full time opportunity, and this is a fresh job opening. As you can see, only 2 days before they have applied for this job opening. Okay, we'll directly read into the qualification section. Post secondary education in computer science, engineering related disciplines. Okay, if you have completed your degree or if you have completed your post secondary education, that is degree only. Okay, you can apply. Minimum 6 months work experience as DevOps engineer. See, if you are having at least 6 months of working experience, okay, I'm telling you, at least if you have done some internship, 3 months, 6 months of internship experience as a DevOps engineer role, we can apply. Freshers, this is a for you only. Please don't miss this opportunity. Must have excellent written and verbal communication skills, ability to learn and clearly present complex technical information. So here you should be having the how to excellent written as well as the communication skills. Okay, and you should be knowing how to clearly present the complex technical information also. Okay, and moreover you should be knowing the knowledge on the software test practices, software engineering, cloud technologies disciplines. Here you should know at least one cloud. It may be AWS, Azure, anything, not a problem. You should have. And working experience or knowledge, here they clearly mention knowledge or working experience with static code analysis. Okay, license check tools, other development process improvement tools. So here you should be having knowledge on the static code analysis, license check tools, and development process also. So these are the things which they have clearly mentioned for you. Mainly you should be having the knowledge on the Linux. Okay, that is very important for such job, I'm telling you. So just go to the supply section and apply to this job opening. And if you want all the job opening links which I'm going to show you now, just you can message me at this Instagram handle Vishwa Karkale. Before that, please subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, daily job updates channel. Okay, please subscribe. I'm requesting everyone, please subscribe and watch this video. And if you are looking for experienced job, or if you're looking for fresher job opportunities more, here I have shown around 250 job opportunities for you guys. This is completely for the fresher, this is completely for the experienced candidate. Just need to send an invitation to this Vishwa Karkali Instagram handle, and you can just message me like this. Look at this. Here one person has messaged me AWS and DevOps fresher jobs. He has clearly mentioned what is need. So here I sent the job links completely free without taking single money. I'm telling you, I'll be not taking a single rupee from you. Okay, remember the point. I'll be sending you all the links completely free. Next is here. Look at this. The fourth job opportunity comes from the same. This fourth job opportunity comes from the company NTT Data. The company name is NTT Data. Here the mail hiring for the position of Cloud SRE Site Reliability Engineer. This is completely entry level. In the position also they have mentioned entry level. Okay, so entry level means 0 to 3 years of experience candidate can apply. 0 to 3 years, telling you clearly. Location is Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, so Hyderabad AP TS students, please apply to the job openings. Requesting everyone. Okay, here if you go to the down, here they have clearly mentioned the roles, responsibilities, and the requirements what they're expecting from you. You should be having the knowledge on the telling. You should be having knowledge on the look at this system platforms on AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. You should know how to design the architecture. Okay, you should know how to design the architecture and operating systems architecture also. You should be knowing that to mainly the AWS as well as Google or Azure platform. It may be any platform, cloud platform. Will be bleeding edge technologies, cloud technologies, mastering container technology, Docker, Kubernetes, and infrastructure as code. Here they have clearly mentioned you should be knowing the Docker, Kubernetes as well as the infrastructure as a code. Okay, manage critical systems for our customers. You should be ready to manage their critical systems. Okay, it's like just handling the errors and everything. Build complex system for mission critical projects from architect design to the migration planning, continuous operation and improvements. Here they have clearly mentioned that you should be ready to build the projects and you should ready to architect the designs, and you should be knowing the migration also. You should know the planning of migration. Okay, so here they have mentioned various skills and technologies, but those are not related much to this position. Okay, and also here look at this: learning deep, solving real problems, and operating DNS, cloud environment, web servers, relational and NoSQL database servers in Linux, Windows environment, both physical as well as a cloud based. Here they have mentioned that you should be having the knowledge on DNS, okay, cloud environment, and web servers also you should be knowing, and little bit knowledge of databases, relational database or NoSQL database, and you should having the Linux environments as well as Windows. If you know at least Linux or if you just know about Windows, not a problem, you can apply. Okay, So how you need to apply for job opportunity is just look at this. Apply now is the right in the right side. You just go to this apply now section and apply to the job openings. This is okay. So this was the fourth job opportunity for you guys. Now the fifth one, the last one. Okay, here the company is Solvative. Okay, the company name is Solvative. Here the mail hiring for the position of DevOps engineer. Look at this. This is mainly based in India and this is a remote. Okay, completely remote, full-time job opportunities, guys. Telling you here they have mentioned the role name, everything they have mentioned. So please read it yourself. Here they have mentioned 1+ years of experience. 1+ years of experience means if you have at least 6 months of internship experience, also apply, not a problem. Okay, so telling fresher, you can also utilize if you have strong skills. If you know the skills which they have mentioned here, they are going to hire you. Please, telling you, please don't leave this. Entry level work experience as DevOps engineer or a similar software engineering role. Okay, you should be having knowledge, or if you have working experience, internship experience, project experience, not a problem, you can apply. Good knowledge of Python or Bash scripting. You should be knowing at least one scripting. It may be the Bash or it may be the Python. And you should be having the knowledge of databases. That is mainly they have mentioned SQL. Knowledge of Docker. Okay, and you should be knowing the knowledge of. You should be having a hands-on knowledge on the Docker. Basic understanding of infrastructure as a code, configuration management tools like Ansible and Terraform. You should be having the knowledge on the Ansible as well as the Terraform. Okay. And understanding of monitoring tools and observing tools. Here you should be knowing the monitoring tools. Any guys, it may be Prometheus, Grafana, Datadog, anything. If you know any monitoring tools, not a problem. You can apply. Basic understanding of web servers, firewalls, SSL, web security. Here you should be having the knowledge of web servers, firewalls, SSL as well as the web security. And you should be knowing the understanding of CI/CD pipelines. And you should be having the cloud platforms. They are mentioned as AWS cloud platform. Okay, certifications. If you have any certifications from the AWS, that is highly preferred. Should be well versed with Linux system. You should be very good at Linux, and you should be having the good knowledge of advanced networking. Okay, so these are the skill sections which they have mentioned here. So if you want to apply for this job position, just go to this apply to this position. Okay, and you can apply to this job opening also. So these are the job opportunities which I wanted to show you for today's, guys. If you are looking for any other job opportunities in any other domains, it may be Java, Python, cyber security, or in the coding, it may be in the testing, not a problem. You can mention in the comment section. I will be happy to bring all the job opportunities for you guys. Okay, so these are the job opportunities which I wanted to show you. Have a good day. Bye.